Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get a return shipping label on Amazon. This is incredibly useful when you need to send back an item, and having that label ready makes the whole process smooth and hassle-free. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, look towards the upper right toolbar where you'll see an option labeled Returns and Orders. Click on that to access your order history and return options. Now, I don't currently have an item to return in my account, but I'm going to walk you through what happens next so you know exactly what to do when you're ready. Once you're on the Returns and Orders page, you'll need to locate the eligible item in your order history. This is the item you want to send back to Amazon. Next to that item, you'll see a button that says Return or Replace Items. Go ahead and click on it. This takes you to the Return Setup page where Amazon will ask you a few questions about why you're returning the product. From the drop-down menu, select your reason for the return. Amazon provides several options here, so choose the one that best matches your situation. After that, you'll need to choose Return Item, or if you're looking to get a replacement instead of a refund, select Replace Item if that option is applicable to your case. This step tells Amazon what you want them to do once they receive the product back. Now comes the important part. You'll be asked to select a return shipping method. If Amazon offers it, choose Print at Home Return Label. This option is often free and makes things incredibly convenient since you can print the label right from your own printer without needing to visit a shipping location first. Once you've made your selection, click Submit to confirm the return request. Amazon will process your request and you'll be taken to a confirmation screen. This screen is where you'll find your return label PDF ready for download. Go ahead and download the return label PDF from the confirmation screen so you have it saved on your device. After downloading, print the label. Make sure your printer settings are correct so the barcode and shipping information are clear and readable. Once it's printed, attach it securely to your packaged item. You want to make sure the label is visible and won't fall off during transit. Finally, drop off the package at an Amazon-labeled location. These can include UPS stores, Whole Foods, or even Kohl's depending on what's available in your area. Amazon will scan the label and your return will be on its way. And that's it. You've successfully generated and used a return shipping label on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.